Good morning student. Today we are going to start new chapter, state of matter. So what is matter? Everything which occupied the space is called the matter. So we already learned in 9th class and 10th class the state of matter, solid, liquid and gas. So now comparison between solid, liquid and gases. How to compare the solid, liquid and gases? Molecules are closely packed in solid state like this. Molecules are closely packed. There is no space, negligible empty space. There is vacant space, empty space is greater than solid. In gases, they are far away and there is lot of empty space. So what is the first point? First point, the molecules are closely packed in solid state. In liquid state, molecules are less closely packed as compared to solid state. Okay, so their space is greater than solid state. Now molecules of gases are very far away, so there is large empty space. Second point, intermolecular force. Intermolecular force. Intermolecular force we will discuss in next class in brief. So intermolecular force means the force of attraction or repulsion between the molecule. Intermolecular force is close to molecule due to the intermolecular force. So intermolecular force is strong in solid state. So intermolecular force is less as compared to solid state in liquid. Liquid is the condensed phase, and then gas, the intermolecular force is negligible. The force which present between the molecule, and due to this force molecule remain together. So second point is now clear. So intermolecular force is attraction force is very strong between the solid. Now next point, the density of solid is high. Third point, the density of solid is high. What is the density? Mass upon volume. So solid have greater mass and so density is high. Liquid as compared to solid, the lower density as compared to solid, and gas very low density. Now it's clear. The third point, density. So density is depend on the mass. Now solid molecules have least energy, very least energy. So solid molecules have least energy and molecules have higher energy in liquid state, higher energy than solid molecules. And gas, what is the condition? Gas molecules are most energetic. Okay, so all of you have become like a gas, most energetic. So solid molecules have least energy, liquid molecules have higher energy as compared to solid, and now gas molecules have most energetic. Now next, the position of molecules in solid state are fixed. Solids are rigid in nature. So what is the reason? The next point, the molecules of solid have fixed position. Like chalk. Chalk is a solid. The molecules of the all chalk have fixed position. We cannot change the position. Okay. So the position of molecules in the crystals lattice are fixed and do not have translational, rotational and motion. This is the crystal structure like NaCl. Crystal structure. We already discussed in chemical bonding. What is the crystal lattice? This is the one unit and 3D structure. So all atoms have fixed position. They cannot change their position. It means rotational motion and translational motion is not possible between the atom molecule. Translational means transition from one state to another state. So atoms cannot move. Rotational means rotation like this. Rotation. So in solid state there is no rotational motion, there is no translational motion, only vibration. Only vibration. This is vibration. Vibrational motion is only present in solid state. So due to vibration, atoms cannot change their position. So in liquid molecules have greater freedom to motion as compared to solid. So they have translational, rotational and vibrational motion. So in liquid state they have translational, rotational and vibrational motion as compared to solid. So they have greater freedom as compared to solid. Now these molecules have gases large, high rotational and vibrational and translational motion. So they have greater large rotational, vibrational and translational motion. So now it's clear. Next point is solids have definite shape and definite volume. The question is arises, why solids have definite shape, and definite volume? What is the reason? Due to strong intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules in solid state. But in liquid do not have definite shape but have definite volume except volatile liquid. Okay, so liquids generally do not have definite shape but have definite volume except volatile liquid like acetone, petrol. You take 10 ml, after some time it becomes evaporate, so vaporize. So don't have definite shape but have definite volume. Shape can be changed. Liquid can change according to shape of the container. Now gas, the gas is neither definite shape nor volume. Neither definite shape and volume. Both are indefinite. So now it's clear this point. Next, it's also very important. Solid have solid molecules have least compressibility. Compressibility means like spring, when we compress the spring to it become real position. So compressibility and thermal expansion. Compressibility. So solids have least compressibility and thermal motion. Thermal means temperature. Thermal motion is least, very low. So solid cannot compress, cannot change the position of the molecule, but liquid possess high compressibility and thermal expansion than solid. Now it's clear. In liquid possess high compressibility and gas possess very high compressibility, and thermal motion, high thermal motion, which depend on the kinetic energy. So, for high compressibility, gas easily liquefied due to the nature of the compressibility. Because why gas is high compressible? Due to the empty space between the molecule. Gases molecule are far away, so there are empty space between the molecule, so it have high compressibility and high thermal motion. Gases molecules are randomly moved, like zigzag motion, random motion. So now it's clear. So in general, what is the solid, what is the liquid, and what is the gas? What is the conclusion? Now, solid means in a general a substance is said to be solid if its melting point is above the room temperature under the atmospheric pressure. Now, a liquid substance is liquid when its boiling point, when its melting point is below room temperature and its boiling point is higher room temperature. Now it's clear. Solid substance is solid when its melting point is above room temperature. Substance is liquid when its boiling point is above room temperature but melting point is low room temperature. And gas, when the substance is exist in gas if its boiling point is below room temperature under the atmospheric pressure. Now it's clear. And example is water exists in three forms: ice, liquid and vapor. Water exists in all three phases simultaneously: ice, water and water vapor. Ice, water and water vapors. And the temperature is 0.01 degree Celsius. 0.01 degree Celsius, and pressure is measured in HG pressure 4.588 mm. 4.588 millimeter of Hg pressure. So, in 0.01 degree centigrade temperature and 458 mm pressure, the water exists in three forms: the ice, water and vapor. The speed at which all the three phases exist simultaneously is called the triple point. Triple point. Critical temperature, critical pressure and critical volume. Critical temperature, critical pressure, and in this condition the volume is critical volume. This is called the triple point. So what is the triple point? What is the definition? I again repeat. The definition is the state at which all the three phases exist simultaneously is called the triple point. Now it's clear. Again, to solid, liquid and gases. What is matter? What is the difference between solid, liquid and gases? What is the triple point? Now it's clear all of you. Have a nice day. Thank you.